Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Screenflow 10. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop your clips or footage on the timeline using the transform handles. So if you want to resize something or get rid of part of a clip that you recorded, you can easily do so by cropping out the sides. To crop clips in Screenflow 10, whether it's a video, a photo, an annotation, just select the clip on the timeline. You should see a bounding box around the selected clip. If you look at the transform handles on each side, they will be circles when you first select it. And to crop, you're going to press and hold the Option key. So the Option key in Screenflow 10, if you're using an earlier version than Screenflow 10, you're going to press the Ctrl key. But they changed it in Screenflow 10, so press and hold the Option key until you see the circle transform handles go from a circle to a square. That means it's ready to crop, and all you have to do is just click and drag in and start cropping. And now I'm going to share with you one of my super secret cropping tricks that I do in nearly every single tutorial. I consider this part of my secret sauce. First, I'm going to make a duplicate or a copy of the clip on the bottom. So I'm going to select the clip, press Command C to copy, Command V to paste. I'm going to line them up. So now I have two identical clips on top of each other. I'm going to select the top clip. You'll see the bounding box with those circles for the transform handles. I'm going to press the Option key until I see the circles turn into a rectangle. I'm going to go up to this top one here. I'm just going to click and I'm going to drag down and crop right to the timeline. And now when I select this top clip that I just copied, you see the bounding box is just around the timeline area. This is particularly helpful if I want to keep the interface or the original recording the same in the background. So in this case it's Adobe After Effects, and maybe I want to draw the viewer's attention down here in the layers panel. So I can scale up this timeline independently, so I don't have to zoom in and zoom out, which can be distracting. I can get it exactly the way I want, but it looks like the interface hasn't changed any in the background. If I need to adjust it, I can just press the Option key. You'll see the bounding box turns from a circle to a square, and then I can just adjust it wherever I need to. So to crop in Screenflow 10, select the clip on the timeline, press the Option key until you see the circle transform handles turn into a rectangle, drag in from the sides to crop the footage. That is your quick tip in Screenflow 10. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.